Hey, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we have a 2022 Porsche 911 GT3. It's a beautiful car. Got it locally here. We sold it to the client who brought it back, so we've had this car twice now. He switched it out for something different. This car has 1,900 miles. Very well optioned. The car has PPF, full body PPF. Looks great. Front end is perfect. This is a manual, 6-speed manual car. Very desirable. Exterior paint is shark blue. It's got the leather seats with the blue stitching. It does have the ceramic brakes. The extended fuel tank, extended range fuel tank. Carbon fiber mirrors. Got the carbon fiber interior trim. It's got the shark blue seat belts. Adaptive sport seats. It's got the black wheels with the blue outline on the rim. LED lights, chrono package, Bose sound system. Got the exclusive design tail lights. Front axle lift, big option. Everybody loves the front axle lift. This car does have it. It's still in warranty. This car is just a blast to drive. It's got the under puddle lights on the doors too, and you open the door at night. It's got the carbon fiber roof. Very, very pretty. Take a quick look inside. We do have 2 keys. All the books and the window sticker. Matte carbon fiber trim in there. Some mileage. Gorgeous car, very comfortable. These seats, in my opinion, are much more comfortable than the other seats, especially in a town like Houston. Tires are in great shape, obviously. 1,800 miles, 1,900 miles. This color always gets a lot of compliments. Give us a call, text, email. We will respond quickly. We've got all the information and all the options and pictures on the website, rogersmotorcars.com. Schedule time to come by. We are appointment only. We hope to hear from you.